Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your phone contract, follow these step-by-step instructions to minimize or avoid early termination fees. Step 1. Review your contract terms to understand when it expires and what penalties apply. Contracts typically last 24 to 36 months with fees ranging from $150 to $350 per line for early cancellation. Step 2. Check if your carrier offers any penalty-free cancellation periods. Some situations like military deployment, moving to areas without coverage, or death qualify for fee waivers. Step 3. Wait until your contract end date if possible to avoid all fees. Mark your calendar and set reminders so you don't automatically renew into another contract term. Step 4. Ask competitors if they offer to buy out your contract. Many carriers pay early termination fees up to certain limits when you switch service to them. Step 5. Negotiate with your current carrier's retention department. Explain why you're leaving and ask if they'll waive fees or offer incentives to keep your business. Step 6. Document all agreements in writing before canceling. Get email confirmation of any promised fee waivers or credits to protect yourself from unexpected charges. Step 7. Pay off any remaining device payments separately from cancellation fees. Device balances must be paid in full regardless of contract status when you leave a carrier. Step 8. Return any leased equipment within the specified time frame. Failing to return devices results in additional charges equal to the full retail price of the equipment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.